Ever noticed your WordPress post showing the wrong time or scheduling not working as expected? That's probably because your site's time zone isn't set correctly. Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the time zone in WordPress step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Then choose General. This page contains all your site's basic settings like title, tagline, and most importantly, your time zone. Now, find the section labeled Time Zone. Here, you have two options. You can either select a city that's in the same time zone as you, or you can choose a specific UTC offset if you prefer more precision. For example, if you're in Daesh to Dhaka, you choose Asia/Dhaka. Once you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes or Save Settings, depending on your WordPress version. That's it. You've successfully updated your site's time zone. From now on, your posts, scheduled content, and timestamps will all reflect the correct local time. Before you go, here's a quick tip. Always double check your time zone after migrating your website or installing a new theme. Sometimes settings can reset without you noticing. And there you have it. A simple but essential tweak that keeps your WordPress site running on schedule. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring more WordPress tips and tricks to make your site even better.